The next page we have is the request page. So this is if the page where you can approve, deny the PTO request of your employees or the absence request. So as you can see here, there are four options here. We have the pending request where it shows you the request of the employees on a list view, and then a pending calendar where it shows to you a calendar view of the employee's request. We also have the history request or history calendar, the same thing, history request for a list view, history calendar for a calendar view of the approved or denied PTO request of the employees. So very simple to use. You can filter it out per department. You can select specific employee request only, and then all you have to do to approve a request is select the request. You can check their PTO balances. If you see no reward, it means that the employee has no PTO active or no PTO calculation for the selected job or absence code, and then you can just simply approve it. After it takes time to load, it should be redirected to the history request where it will show you that the PTO has been approved. So let's go there right now. Select the name of the employee or the date range. Then you will see here approve. There's a reverse button here in just in case you have misclick. You click approve instead of deny, so you can just click reverse here. It should take a little bit to load, and then you will see that the status turned from approved to pending. You just go back to the pending request, and then the same thing, click on the request and then select whether you deny or approve it. So that's how to use the request page. The next thing we have in relation to the request page is the PTO balance. So this is where you will check if the employee has enough PTO accruals for the absence that they have requested. So you can filter this out per department, and of course select the name of the employee here. So the end date, again, you can select the end date so that you will be able to see how much PTO accruals the employee has for a specific date range. Let's say, for example, the end date or the begin date will be the 15th of April. So if I click OK here, then the only accruals or accrued PTOs that should appear here, as well as the use and the balance, would be the only ones within the date range. So if even if I'm currently at April 22nd, so it should only display time entries from up to April 15th. So we'll see here the carryover hours, the accrued hours, the used hours, and then of course the balance. So um, editing the PTO codes or PTO calculation has been discussed on the setting page. Kindly please proceed to that video so that you can see how it would be set up.